Hi, we're here at IVAS in New Orleans. It's an acupuncture group that's been studying how to use needles and acupuncture, but also how to use lasers. And now we have a customer that's been with us for a year. Would you please tell me your name and your experience with our laser?
Sure, I'd be happy to. My name's Dr. Donna Van Segbrook. I'm a horse veterinarian from Wallaceburg, Ontario. And I purchased the laser, I'm afraid, primarily to use on myself because I have chronic neck and back problems resulting from a car accident. And I tried it at his booth and had instant pain relief and bought one and have been quite happy with it. Easy to use, and I try not to travel anywhere without it.
And how long have you had your laser now?
I have had it a little over a year and a half.
And what conditions have you had success with, or what have you been using it for?
I'm afraid I've primarily been using it on myself, on chronic whiplash and back pain. And I have treated successfully back pain in saddle horses. And I'm ashamed to say I haven't used it as much as I should have, other than on myself. So.
That happens often. People love using it on themselves.
But I say after this lecture, they actually had somebody speaking on laser therapy at the IVAS conference, and I'm going to go home and try it on a number of conditions they suggested. And I have treated successfully one horse in my daughter's barn that had white line disease and was used the blue light therapy on it to continue, and it did resolve. They were pleased with that. It had been a chronic condition that had just been kind of stuck for the last few months, and the laser therapy did help.
And how long before you saw results?
It started to, the crumbling stopped pretty well as soon as we started using it, and then it took a couple months for the foot to grow down. But until that time, until we did try the laser on it, the crumbling, every time the fair come, they were trimming more off as opposed to being able to watch it grow down. There was always more to cut off. So that is probably the most exciting thing that I've personally used it on. And as I say, I do regret I haven't used it more.
But perhaps now you will.
Yes, I will.
Great, thank you very much. It sounds like you would recommend this to other veterinarians as well.
Yes, as I say, it's. I like the part that you can't hurt anything with it, and I've used it on. I also blew up a knee. I fell off a horse before a vacation last year, and couldn't walk on it for a couple of days. And 10 days later, I left on holiday and was able to do a lot of climbing with it. So on my own knee, it worked very well.
Great. And how frequently did you use it for your knee?
Because it was hurt and blown up, I've never had a knee injury before. I got caught in the stirrup falling off. I used it every day for 10 days. And, it took it up from being markedly swollen and fluid on it to almost normal by the time I left on holiday. And occasionally I laser it since then. Every now and then I'll take a bad step and hurt it. But I couldn't believe how much it helped.
Great. Thank you very much. Appreciate your time.
Thank you.